Even though we're in these times right now, I do want to still try to have some fun. So today we'll be using mostly this section here of shades. But we will also be using some neutrals and stuff on the eyelids. So let's get started here. So let's bring you guys in. Alright, so we have you guys zoomed in now. So let's get started here. So I'm gonna go in with an R40 by Morphe. And we're gonna go in with Alright, so we have a primer on the lids. We're using MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly. Just a little bit here. You can see I'm sort of making like a wiggly line there. So we're gonna go in now with a deeper shade, and we will use the M441 for this, and do the same thing here. So we're gonna go in with the teals now. So I'm going to use some of the Tarte Shape Tape just on a Morphe 166 brush. I'm just gonna take some of that here, and I'm going to cut the crease again. If you guys didn't see my first video, I am going to put some here and then lift up, and this line here will give me the highest point that I need to go up to, so that way the eyeshadow doesn't continue to transfer onto the transition shade up here. Alright there, so we have that on, and now let's go ahead and go in with a smaller brush, and we're gonna go in with the Morphe M124. It's just a smaller brush, and I'm gonna put this right here in the front. And with this, I'll probably go about halfway with this across the lid. Now I've turned into sort of a neutral girl where I don't wear much color as much, but before I used to. But now getting into my YouTube channel, that might change here. As I get excited for makeup again, that might be something that I sort of start doing again. Alright, so we have that on. We're going to take another one of the Morphe 124 brushes to pack this right on the outside. And I'm sort of overlaying this a little bit so they can blend together. I'm going to go in with a dense brush. This is the M456 brush by Morphe. I'm going to go in at this end here and then go across. Right where these shades meet. as well here on the outside, just so we get somewhat of a transition here. So I'm going to bring this out here to create that sort of winged out look on both sides. I'm going to take an M433. We're going to go in with a slight darker shade here on where the brown meets the transition shade. So I'm going to go ahead and try to blend this out a little bit. So that way that green isn't just so harsh there. So I just went right across, and now I'm just blending in more of a circular motion. So that looks a little bit better there. So you can see from this eye to this eye, that's like super harsh. I'm gonna go back in with that third shade in the top row and sort of just add this to the top here. Alright, so I'm gonna just go underneath the eyes here and clean up any fallout. Alright, and then we'll go back in with Tarte Shape Tape. So blend that. And then we're gonna go in with the Hourglass Veil powder on that little Morphe sponge. Then what we're gonna do is go underneath the lash line now. So I'm gonna bring in this dark shade to the bottom now. And we're gonna go right here. So see, I'm connecting this here, going straight from the top to the bottom here. Just like that. Alright, so what I'm going to add next to the eyes is just a brow bone highlight, and then on the inner corner. For today I'm using the Becca Cosmetics in Champagne Pop. And it looks just like this. Brush. Tap it at the top here. Same thing here. I enjoy a good highlight. And then I'm just going to bring this highlight up a little bit into the actual eyeshadow. So you can sort of see that it brightened up on that inner part. I have my lashes on now, so I'm going to go in with Bottom Mascara, and this is the Extended Play Giga Black Lash by MAC. I like this mascara on the lower lashes because it doesn't transfer on to the rest of the face. I normally get like a transfer right here, but this one doesn't. To finish off the eyes, I go in with Highbrow by Benefit, and this is actually a highlight for the brow bone, but I'm actually just going to take this into the waterline. Just to brighten up that inside of the eye. The inside of the eyes there. Let's go ahead and finish up with lips. So for lips today, I'm going to use the lip liner from the Coco collection with Kylie Jenner. This one is called Handbag Hoe. I know, I'm sorry, but that's what it's called. And then I'm going to go in with Dose of Colors Aftermath. And this is the final look. If you did enjoy this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a good day. Bye. Whose phone is that?